Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
By the way, my name is Lin. Nice to meet you.
My name is Thủy. Nice to meet you too.
So your name is Thủy, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Nice name.
Thanks. Your name is good too.
What do you do?
I'm a student and I'm studying at the Academy of Finance.
So you're a student and you're studying at the Academy of Finance.
Yes.
Do you like the school?
No, not at all.
Not at all?
Right.
How often do you go to school?
5 days a week. I go to school 5 days a week.
5 days a week?
Yes.
Do you usually go to school on weekends?
No, I don't. I don't do it very often.
You don't do it very often?
Right.
When you usually go to school?
In the morning. I usually go to school in the morning.
In the morning?
Yes.
What time you usually go to school?
At 7 o'clock in the morning. I usually go to school at 7 o'clock in the morning.
At 7 o'clock in the morning?
Yes.
Who do you usually go to school with?
With my friend. I usually go to school with my friend.
With your friend?
Right.
How many people are there in your class?
42 people. There are 42 people in my class.
42 people?
Yes.
How many students are there in your school?
About 16,000 students. There are about 16,000 students in my school.
About 16,000 students?
Yes.
Where's your school?
On Lebanon Street. My school's on Lebanon Street.
On Lebanon Street?
Yes.
How far is it from your room to your school?
About 10 meters. It's about 10 meters from my room to my school.
About 10 meters?
Right.
How do you usually go to school?
On foot. I usually go to school on foot.
On foot?
Yes.
How long does it take you to get to the school?
About 2 minutes. It takes me about 2 minutes to get there.
About 2 minutes?
Right.
What time do you usually come back home from school?
At a quarter to 12. I usually go to school at a quarter to 12.
At a quarter to 12?
Right.
What do you usually do after coming back home from school?
Well, after coming back home from school, I usually have lunch.
Have lunch?
Yes.
What do you usually do before going to school?
Well, before going to school, I usually have breakfast.
Have breakfast.
Well then?
Have breakfast?
Yes.
May I have the phone number?
Yes, of course. It's 01632.
It's 01632.
Yes, 668.
668.
Yes, 713.
713.
Yes, it's 01632. 668. 713.
So phone number is 01632 668 713, isn't it?
That's right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later. Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.